children should double their weights, their birth weights around 4 months, and then they should triple their birth weights around by the time they are about a year. So if the child weighed 2.9 at birth and is now 9 months and is weighing, I think it's 6. I've quite lost that.
She said 6.4, and the child dropped to 6.2.
Okay, so what is worrying is the drop. The child should not drop. We know that as they grow, they don't gain weight as fast as they started off with. Growth slows as the age goes. Yes, but what is worrying is the drop. So there's something happening that is causing the drop. Around the age she's describing, around 9 months, because of the switch from exclusive breastfeeding to feeding, they tend to have a lot of feeding issues, and most of the time that is what is responsible for if they tend to lose weight. That's also the time, 9 months, they are starting to have a will of their own. Sometimes they want to feed themselves, and because it will be a mess, the parent wants to feed them, or because it will take forever and you want to go to work, you want to feed them, and then it becomes a power struggle. So around that age, there are a lot of feeding issues, and that could be why the child is losing weight. Now the skin. My answer.
Joy Prime, the ultimate experience.